guys how to sign into your Ring app. But before doing that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to leave a like at the end. Also, don't forget to check out more of our tutorial videos, and if you find them helpful, don't forget to share it to your friends. Now let's start with the video. Now to sign into your Ring app, open your Ring app first. After you open your Ring app, right below the create account button, you will see a sign in option. Click on sign in. After you click on sign in, this page will load up. Then just put in the email that you have used to create the account. After you've done so, just type in the password and sign in. Now there will be a verification code sent to your mail. Let me just check mine. You also don't forget to check yours. After you've got your verification code in your mail, type the verification code and then verify the code. After the verification is successful, you will need to verify your email too. If you have not, go to your email and then just verify now. There you will need to click on the verify now button, and after you do so, your email will get verified. A ring.com will open up, and then here you go. You can link your account to your Amazon too, but let's not do that now. And then getting started, you're good to go. That is how you sign in to your Ring app. So that is all for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like below. Bye bye.